the reliability of the electric grid was at risk, leaving experts and policymakers with a vital task to plan the state's energy future. Join us in this episode of Echo Wisdom as we embark on the quest to find sustainable solutions for Minnesota's energy needs. Minnesota's electric grid faced an uncertain future as the demand for power continued to rise. An alarming assessment warned that more than two-thirds of North America's grid was at risk of energy shortfalls, and the problem was set to worsen. Just a short while ago, Minnesota narrowly escaped rolling blackouts during a harsh winter. The previous winter, neighboring states experienced power supply issues, affecting Minnesota and the Dakotas. The stakes were high, and the need for action became evident. The CEO of the Minnesota Rural Electric Association took charge of the situation. Committed to ensuring reliability, affordability, and sustainability, he knew it was a monumental task. This mission is clear: to secure a reliable, affordable, and sustainable energy future for Minnesota. Recently, the Minnesota legislature passed an ambitious carbon-free by 2040 bill, setting a challenging benchmark for the energy transition. Building a reliable carbon-free future required decades of careful planning, emphasizing the need for flexibility in managing this complex transition. Advocating for an all-tech-on-deck approach, the CEO and his team explored emerging technologies while avoiding costly mandates that might lead to regrets. They left all options on the table, fostering exploration and innovation to discover the ideal solution for Minnesota's energy future. The focus was on empowering experts to make informed decisions without restricting options through policy mandates. Their vision was a reliable, affordable, and sustainable electric grid, ready to meet the increasing demand for electric vehicles and appliances. The journey was not without challenges, as some sought rigid mandates, but the CEO remained steadfast in promoting creativity, cooperation, and common sense. Through hard work and collaboration, Minnesota's nonprofit electric cooperatives forged a sustainable energy landscape for future generations. And so, the tale of Minnesota's quest for a sustainable energy future became an inspiring example for the world. It taught us that through innovation, empowered expertise, and united commitment, we can overcome any challenge and create a brighter tomorrow. As we echo their wisdom, let us remember that a sustainable future is within our grasp, and together, we can shape a world powered by clean and reliable energy. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey, and until next time, let's continue seeking wisdom that resonates throughout our world.